Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to find Clipboard on Android phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up any of the medium in which you want to type. So what you have to do is you just have to hold on, and here you have to tap on the three dots, and here you guys can find the option Clipboard. If you are not able to see Clipboard option here like this, then don't worry about it. After accessing the keyboard, now you have to tap on this icon which is here. You have to tap on this. After tapping on this, now you guys can see the Clipboard here. So if you are still troubling in getting Clipboard icon here, how you guys can access the Clipboard in Android? So you just have to open up the Google Play Store. After opening up the Google Play Store, now you have to search for Gboard. After searching for Google Gboard, now you guys have to install this app. This app is basically a keyboard which is provided by Google, and I'm already using this. So how you guys can find this is after installing the keyboard, now you have to just allow the keyboard, and then you guys will be able to see this option and you guys can access the Clipboard in your Android. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.